Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to search in Microsoft Outlook email. So the first thing you want to do is head over to get properly signed in or logged in if you do already have an account. If you don't have an account, just head over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice. Type in Microsoft Outlook in the search bar and it'll take you to this page. Now on this page, you want to pick either create account, your Microsoft account, where it will navigate you through the process of creating your account if you don't already have an account. So you just click on this and go through the process of creating an account. If you do have an account, just head over to this sign in page over here, input your email or phone number, click on next, and just go through all the processes of getting yourself properly signed in for you to get the most and the optimum to do on your Microsoft Outlook. Now, have you gotten yourself properly signed in, you will just be navigated straight to the home page of your Outlook platform. This is what the home page looks like, and on this page I'll be showing you how to search in Microsoft Outlook. Remember that Microsoft Outlook is a powerful email and productivity tool that is designed to help people to stay organized and connected. It is more than just an email app. It helps you to manage your emails, to schedule meetings, and to carry out a world of activities. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to search in Microsoft Outlook. In case you're looking for a particular thing and you do not want to go manually to look for it, you can just head over to search for it. And how can you achieve that? You can achieve that by heading to the top part of this Outlook platform. You can see where the search option is over here with a tiny microscope. So just click on that and then search for what you're looking for particularly. Let's say we're looking for sent. Let's say I'm looking for a particular email. All right, so when I just type in the name, it will appear over here, as you can see, and I can just decide to navigate to another platform. So this is my calendar. Let's say I'm looking for a particular calendar I have saved. Let's say I'm looking for team meetings. Once I type that, the option would appear over here. So this is how you can search in Microsoft Outlook email. Just search, go over to the search bar at the top over here, click on it and search for the particular information you're looking for, and it will simply pop up on your screen. So this is how to access Microsoft Outlook search option. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to use your search bar in Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.